Kollur Mugambika temple is located at Kollur, Karnataka. It is a very famous temple dedicated to the mother goddess known as Mugambika Devi. It is situated in the foothills of Kodajadri Hills on the southern bank of Saubarnika River. Being situated in the land between Gokarna and Kanyakumari, believed to be created by sage Parashurama. The main deity of the temple is a Swayambhu Jyotirlinga with a golden line cutting it into half, in which the left half represents three Devis and the right half represents Trimurtis. Along with this, a four-handed Panchaloha idol of goddess Mugambika is also installed. Radhotsava in the month of Falguna and Navaratri in the month of Ashwina are the main festivals in this temple. It is believed that Adi Shankaracharya had a vision of Sri Mugambika Devi and installed the deity here. One day, Devi appeared before Adi Shankaracharya asking for his wish. He revealed his wish to install the Devi idol in a place in Kerala to worship. Devi agreed but put forward a condition that she will follow Shankara and he should not look back till he reaches his destination. But to test Shankara, Devi deliberately stopped the noise of her anklets when they reached Kollur, whereupon Shankara turned and looked back because of doubt. Devi then asked Shankara to install her Vigraha at that very location at Kollur. The original temple where Shankara meditated and Devi appeared before him is at Kodajadri peak, which is at a distance of about 21 kilometers from Kollur, also visible as a large mountain peak from Kollur Sri Mugambika Devi temple. Mugambika is the universal mother goddess who is worshipped with great devotion, especially in the southern parts of the country. She is regarded as an incarnation of goddess Parvati and an aspect of Shakti Devi, the divine feminine power. Significances of Mugambika. Mugambika, though regarded as an aspect of Parvati, is still unique as she is actually worshipped as all the three important forms of Shakti. She is seen as Mahakali, the goddess of strength and power in the morning, as Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity at noon, and as Mahasaraswati, the goddess of learning and wisdom in the evening and is worshipped as such. Mugambika is depicted as a beautiful young woman adorned with a crown in the head, well decorated with ornaments and garlands, and seated majestically on a throne or a lotus. She has 4 hands, 2 of which hold the conch and discus, while the other 2 are in Abhaya, the protecting, and Varadha, the boon giving postures. After installing the idols, Adi Shankara prayed before the idols to forgive him for breaking the condition and move with him to Kerala. On his repeated prayers, the goddess agreed to be in Kerala only during the morning hours at the Chotanikra temple and will return to her Kollur temple in the afternoon. At Kollur Mugambika temple, nearby to the temple flows a river. As per another legend, the eagle Saubarna performed penance at the temple before the goddess and attained moksha. In the remembrance of the eagle Saubarna, the river was named after him and is known as Saubarnika River. The importance of the Kollur Mugambika temple is so profound that if you perform a Yagna Puja at the temple, it is said that it is equivalent to perform similar Yagna Puja at 1,000 temples. Many renowned Rishi Maharshis and Devi Devtas have performed penance at the Kollur Mugambika temple to obtain the blessing of the deity and thereby ultimate moksha. A visitor to the Mugambika temple includes Lord Sri Krishna along with Rukmani and Satyabhama and various sages like Shukracharya, Brahaspati, etc., who have done penance at the temple. Mugambika Devi is the goddess who is representing Adi Parashakti. Shakti refers to the cosmic energy that permeates through everything. Adi Parashakti manifests as Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati, Mugambika, Radha, Kali, Chamundi, Uma, Kamakshi, Amba, and in countless other forms. Mother presides over creation, preservation, and destruction.